How to make money with Pixabay.com. Hello everyone, I'm Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how others are making anywhere from $100 to $200 per day using Pixabay. Pixabay is a website that you can go on to download copyright-free photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, music, and sound effects. And by copyright-free, I mean you're free to use the images or sound effects from this website anywhere you want across the web, so you can use it in music videos, in YouTube videos, on your personal website or blog, anywhere at all without worrying about a copyright strike or anything like that. Now that we have gotten that out the way and you know what Pixabay is about, let me start showing you how you can use this website to earn money. Once on Pixabay.com, you're going to tap on Sound Effects, and we'll be using the Sound Effects section to make money. And you can see they have a wide variety of sound effects that you can choose from, and the time limit varies, so you could use sound effects from that are 9 minutes long, or you could go down to even 16 or 15 seconds long. And in case you want to choose a specific sound effect, you can simply tap on the search bar right here and search for the particular one that you want. So now that we know the source that we'll be getting the information from to use to make money, let me show you the website that will be paying you. And the website is UploadForever.com. This is a file sharing website that pays persons once they have uploaded files and another person goes and tap on your link and watch your file that you have uploaded, you'll be able to earn money. It's as easy as that. You'll be simply uploading the files and persons will be paying you. So once on upload.com, in fact, before going even further, let me show you payment proof of persons that are earning money right now. This is the 24th of July when I'm doing this video, and you can see that persons are getting paid as we speak. There you can see this person got paid $10 since morning, and if I should scroll down, you can see that persons are getting paid $10, $15, even $51, and there are numerous payment options as you can see right here, whether you want to get paid via PayPal, Skrill, web money, you name it. This website offers that payment option, and you can see the amount that they have paid out thus far is over $200,000. So now that you know the website that you'll be getting paid, let me show you some more information. When it comes to UploadForever, they pay depending on the tier, and by tier 1 it means, for example, United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom. So if 1,000 persons download your file in the United Kingdom, you'll be getting paid $7. And tier 2 countries, as you can see right here, are Australia and so on, you'll be able to earn $4. And tier 3 countries are like Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, you'll be able to earn $4. And tier 4 countries or any other countries in the world, you'll be able to earn $3. So now that you have an idea of how much you'll be able to earn, let me show you where you'll get the traffic from, and furthermore how you'll be able to make money. The website that we'll be using to get the traffic from is none other than YouTube. As you can see here, if I should type in river flowing sound effect, you can see that numerous websites pop up and they are getting a lot of views daily. As you can see, this YouTube channel, better yet, is getting over 2,000 views on this video per day. And by scrolling down, you can see that this one is getting 106, and this channel with only 350 subscribers is getting 45 views daily on this 32-second clip. And the numbers go on and on, so you see that you don't need a lot of subscribers to start making money. You can start making money right away with 0 subscribers. For example, as you can see right here, the channel that I was talking about with 350 subscribers, you can see that this person has uploaded a few files over the past 2 weeks, and you can see that they are getting a steady influx of views. All you'll be doing is uploading files similar to these on YouTube, and once persons go onto your video and watch it, you'll be leaving a link in the description. For example, like this video right here, you'll be leaving a link in the description that once the person clicks on it, they'll be able to download the sound effect for completely free, and you'll be able to get paid. It's as simple as that. So instead of the person having to copy your YouTube channel link and going onto another website to download the sound effect, you'll be making it easier for them by simply leaving the link right there so they can tap on it and download it even quicker. And you can see here's another channel with only 217 subscribers, and this person hasn't uploaded a single video for the past 2 years, and they are still getting thousands of views daily. Now that you have the product that we are going to be using, the source that you are going to be getting the traffic from, let me show you what to do. Once you have downloaded the MP3 right here, you're going to go onto Google and you're going to search for MP3 to MP4, as you can only upload MP4 onto YouTube. So you will simply use any one of these free MP4 converters, and you will convert the MP3 to MP4, and all you'll have to do is simply find keywords just like this, river sound effect, or you can clear, for example, let me clear river sound effect, and you can see right here, if I should just left RI sound effect, these are keywords that persons are searching for right now on YouTube. So all you can simply do is copy these keywords, then go back into Pixabay and paste it right here in the search bar and search for the particular sound effect, download it, then convert it to MP4 and upload it to YouTube, and that's it. And you'll be getting your link, then you'll simply paste it in UploadForever. Once you have signed up in UploadForever, copy the link from UploadForever and paste it in your description on YouTube, and once persons go watch your video, tap on your link, you'll be able to earn money. It's as easy as that. Hope you found this video helpful and motivating. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.